All right, it's Tuesday, March 25th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here, if they're buying it on this red to green move, it has followed through higher, buying some call options here towards its target, the first bar high and the pre-market high. So now it's hitting its inflection point. So even though it might really break through here strongly, I decided to be conservative and just scale out instead of an always trade. I bought the 570 calls at 725. I just scaled out at 780. They're asking 793 right now. This is kind of the key inflection point now, on the day at the moment. It's hopefully breaking through. I still think context-wise, as we continue after this breakout of these 5 days here, little green bar yesterday, and then the follow through today, we still have targets up into this area, up in here, these 3 bars. And if you look at the weekly chart, it's kind of filling in this gap towards this, the low of this bar right here, that between the low of that bar and the high of this bar is that gap in here, and we can get all the way up, to that 582 area. So there's still room to run, much higher here on this one. If I spread it out in terms of the, we could be heading all the way, not necessarily today, but I mean, that's kind of what there's still room to run. So that's why I wanted to play the, continuation from yesterday, as long as we held the midpoint of that bar. I discussed on the pre-market, kind of analysis, if we gapped up above that, maybe I'd see if momentum kicked in. If not, ideally, you'd want this red to green move after a gap up and a little bit of exhaustion. It comes down, close yesterday, green bar, and then you expect a little follow through to this first inflection point. Then you see if a big directional day unfolds with one push up, pause, second push up, because there's targets above. So good no risk trade now on the SPY. We'll see how much higher it goes. I'm being conservative, scaling out pretty quick, but just in case, you never know. We might just decide to come down and have take out liquidity down here. We're still well above the halfway point of the prior day. So sometimes you get a lot of crazy volatility, and we come down through the, back through the first bar, and we take out liquidity, and then it goes up. And, you don't know if today's going to be a strong directional day or if it's going to be more of a day that decides to shake out some players along as it moves higher, but based on the fact that it can come down and take out some stops before resuming its trend up. So anyway, for now, red to green move worked out well, no risk. We'll see how much higher it goes for the rest of the day.